maprotektahan ka kahit nasaan ka man sa Pilipinas. And with InsurTech, napakaganda ng ating services because it is convenient, very user-friendly, availability and accessibility all throughout the market, simple and easy to use, intelligent and fully digital, cloud-based technology, more secured customer data kasi hindi na tayo gumagamit ng mga paper. It is paperless transaction at digital lahat ng copy ng inyong transaction and inyong coverage. Powered by artificial intelligence. And lastly, improves customer experience. Dahil everything is digital, hindi ka na kailangan pumila pa ng napakahaba. Hindi mo na kailangan pumunta sa opisina just to be covered and protected by our Orbis Victus International. With just your cell phone, your laptop, or your tablet, plus the power of the internet. With our InsurTech, pwede ka na ma-protected through our Seal Pro product. Introducing Seal Pro or Self-Empowered Asset and Life Protection product ng Orbis Victus International. First is the Seal Pro Bronze with personal accident coverage of 500,000 pesos. It also has total permanent disability of 500,000 pesos. Meron din niyang kasamang unprovoked murder and assault up to 125,000 pesos, medical reimbursement up to 100,000 pesos, daily cash assistance up to 1,000 pesos per day for 10 days, at burial assistance up to 25,000 pesos. Now, our Bronze Seal Pro ay very much affordable for only 3,150 for 1 whole year protection na yan. Now, if you count it in a monthly basis, that is only 262 pesos and 50 cents per month. And that is only 8 pesos and 75 cents on a daily basis para maproteksyonan ka sa ating Bronze Seal Pro product. Now, next product is the Platinum Seal Pro. With our Platinum, your personal accident coverage is up to 1 million pesos. Total permanent disability of 1 million pesos. Unprovoked murder and assault, 250,000 pesos. Medical reimbursement up to 200,000 pesos. Daily cash assistance of 2,000 pesos per day, maximum for 10 days. And for burial assistance, up to 50,000 pesos naman ang pwede mong makuha. Now, our Platinum Seal Pro ay 4,750 pesos lamang for 1 whole year protection. Approximately 395 pesos per month and only 13 pesos per day. Protected ka na with 1 million personal accident coverage insurance. And to all our brothers and sisters, mga kabayan na nasa ibang bansa, including yung mga kabayan natin na magta-travel or umiikot sa buong Pilipinas, let me share to you our Kabayan Seal Pro. Repatriation benefit value, you can bring home yung mga na-aksidente sa ibang bansa, pauwi ng Pilipinas, hanggang halagang 1 million pesos ang pwede mong magamit. And for the Filipinos, brothers and sisters, na ma-aksidente naman within the Philippines, you can still maximize our repatriation benefit value kung ikaw ay na-aksidente malayo sa inyong tahanan. Basta, ang distance ay aabot ng 125 kilometers or more. Then, pwedeng maiuwi ang labi ng taong namatay sa aksidente pauwi sa kanilang tahanan nang wala pong babayaran because meron kang value na 1 million pesos for repatriation services na ipoprovide ng ating produkto sa iyo. Now, with Orbis Victus International, you can be covered 500,000 pesos through our Bronze, 1 million pesos through our Platinum Seal Pro product, 2 million pesos for our Double Platinum, and maximum of 3 million pesos for our Triple Platinum product, Seal Pro. Now, as I've said in the very beginning, ang insurance is a legal agreement between two parties, insurer and insured. And once you buy at i-cover mo yung sarili mo through our SealPro product, makaka-receive ka ng ating tinatawag na contract of agreement, or in other words, called policy. But in Orbis Victus International, since we are offering our InsurTech product, ang ma-receive mo hindi in paper, kundi electronic policy. At ito ang itsura na ma-receive mo na electronic policy. Now, let's dig deep. Ano ba yung nilalaman ng policy mo or yung agreement mo between Orbis Victus International and Stronghold? Let's talk about the table of contents sa loob ng inyong policy. First, the accidental death and permanent disablement. Second, unprovoked murder and assault. Third, medical reimbursement. Fourth, daily cash assistance. And fifth, yung inyong burial benefit. For accidental death and dismemberment and permanent disablement, here are the things you need to know. Para naman sa total permanent disability at personal accident insurance, it highly depend kung ano yung aksidente or degree ng aksidente na nangyari sa iyo. Now, isa-isahin natin. For total loss of life, automatic 100% of the principal sum ang makukuha mo. For loss of both hands or all fingers and both thumbs, 100% of the principal sum ang makukuha mo. For loss of both feet, 100% of the principal sum ang makukuha mo. For loss of sight of both eyes, 100% of the principal sum. Now, para naman sa mga accident na hindi parehas ang nawala, hindi parehas ang aksidente, or may mga ilan lamang sa katawan mo ang na-disable, na-dismember, or naputol gawa ng aksidente, here are the percentage na nakapaloob dito. Loss of arm at or below elbow, 70% of the principal sum. Arms between elbow and wrist, 60% of the principal sum. One hand, 50% of the principal sum. Four fingers and thumb of one hand, 42.5% of the principal sum. Now, para naman sa ating mga daliri, kung sakaling isa, dalawa, or higit pa ang naputol gawa ng aksidente, ito naman ang mga percentage na nakapaloob dito. Loss of four fingers, 35% of the principal sum. Loss of thumb, 15%. Loss of index finger, 10%. Loss of the middle finger, 6%. Loss of ring finger, 5%. Loss of little finger, or we call it the pinky finger, 4%. Now, meron lang po tayong ikaklaro when it comes sa putol ng bawat daliri. Kapag ang putol naman ay sa daliri po nangyari, these are the things that you need to know. Kailangan ang bawat putol or yung putol na nangyari po sa inyong mga daliri ay aabot dito po sa unang guhit ng inyong mga daliri. Yes, you heard me right. Dapat po aabot dito. At pag hindi po umabot sa unang guhit ng inyong daliri, hindi po siya mako-cover as total permanent disability with percentage corresponding sa daliri na naputol. Now, let's go to lower extremities naman. Kapag ang nawala naman ay from the legs below, may mga percentage din na nakapaloob dyan. Loss of leg at or above the knee, 60%.